Hi, I'm Janice Conger, a middle school librarian in Wissahickon School District in the suburbs of Philadelphia. Sometimes middle school students just lack a little bit of judgment. In fact, students are amazed that they can put themselves out there on the internet. And yet, when they Google themselves, they're also surprised at what they find. One sixth grader found his mom had kept a blog about him from the day he was born. My own grandchildren already own their own digital domains, internet domains. Digital citizenship is a lesson that must be taught. Anyone can now make a fake you. The link that's on this page is a video of Barack Obama, only it's not really Barack Obama. It proves why we need to teach digital citizenship. It's up to us to help students create a positive digital footprint by calling it personal branding. We want them to have a good, positive presence online so that if someone says something bad about them, no one's going to believe it. Most schools have programs that they use for teaching digital citizenship skills. My school uses a combination of EverFi and Breakout EDU for our lessons. Why personal branding? Caleb Kennedy was a contestant on American Idol. This only happened a couple of months ago. And he was kicked off when there were only 5 contestants left because of a video that he made and posted when he was 12. In the past, you and I were allowed to make mistakes. No one saw it. Kids nowadays are not allowed to make mistakes because anything posted online never gets deleted. What you do on the internet is always there. The kids I teach are 12. I show students a YouTube video about personal branding. Roberto Blake teaches them that personal branding is their reputation, that it's up to them to dictate the narrative and not to let other people define who they are. Then we get to the fun stuff. I show them the Amanda Rose video and then have them come up with their own 6 words using a little template that I developed over the years. It's in the resources below. Students put those 6 words that they create about themselves into Tinkercad and come up with a logo for themselves that serves as a reminder to be a good digital citizen and to be positive. They either can use words or symbols. I don't care. When the prints are finished, then we do a gallery walk. These are some of our logos. Here are a few more. And I have so much more that I want to tell you. And I can't wait to see you on Monday, June 28th at 5:30, right here